We care because we own it. Your building centers.
I send my customers to YBC to get ideas.
That has been super helpful to come into the showroom here at YBC and be able to see the kitchen cabinets in the stain color that I picked. And I can bring my flooring options and say, oh, are they going to work with that actual kitchen stain because it's sitting right here.
All my customers are busy like everybody else, and if I can send them to one place and they can pick everything from the shingles to the kitchen, that's a plus.
You can actually see different things, see different colors, look at stuff at different lights.
YBC is really good with their deliveries.
That's huge with us. There's no waiting, there's no guessing. Are they going to be here at 9? They can be here at 10. When they say they're going to be there, they're there.
You know, maybe the material was in Virginia or something and they would send a truck to go get it if it wasn't going to be here on time.
If you need something in the morning, we'll make sure you have it in the morning. If you want it in the afternoon, we'll make sure you have it in the afternoon.
Whenever I call for materials, it shows up when I need it, and everything is here ready to go for me, so I don't have any delays on the job site. Here at YBC, I know that they strive to get whatever we need as soon as possible.
They go the extra mile to make sure that we have what we need when we need it.
If we need something in a pinch, they've always come through for us, always.
We care because we own it. Your building